What is a prism? Well, a prism is a 3D figure that has two parallel bases and then lateral sides that are rectangles. Let me show you some examples. First, I want to show you a rectangular prism. Now, it's called a rectangular prism because its bases, remember I told you they have two parallel bases, are going to be rectangles. All right, so if I have two parallel bases, my lateral sides, which are the ones that are attached to the bases on the sides, are also rectangles. In this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lateral sides that are rectangles. Let me show you some other rectangular prisms. On here, I have two more rectangular prisms. I have bases that are rectangle, 1, and then on the other side, parallel to it, it has 2. They're my two parallel bases. Okay, and then the lateral sides, which there are still 4, those are also rectangles. Now there's also not just rectangular prisms, we can have prisms of any kind. Let me show you a triangular prism. A triangular prism also has lateral sides that are rectangles, but instead of a rectangular base, it has a triangular base. So here I have one triangle, and here's my other parallel triangular base. So 2 triangles and then 3 rectangles on the side. Now this is called a net. A net is when I take a 3D solid like this triangular prism and I unfold it. So you can see if I were to take this net, I could fold it up and I would still see my 2 triangular bases that are parallel and my 3 rectangular lateral sides. But unfolding this, I'm still able to see these shapes. I have my 2 bases and my lateral sides. Let's unfold the rectangular prism. So if I unfold my rectangular prism, I can still see that I have 2 green bases and then I have 4 red sides. So look, I fold this back up. There are my 2 bases, and then all of these fold in together to make my lateral sides. Okay, so prisms have 2 parallel bases. You can put your hands on them. Okay, and they can change. Like I could have a rectangular base, I could have triangular bases, but no matter what my base is, my lateral sides are always going to be rectangles, and that's prisms.